Looking for Michael Kors Voyager Tote for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the Chic Diffusion line, from the all-American lifestyle designer Michael Kors, is a one-stop shop for the most effortless and versatile pieces you could add to your arsenal. This leather Voyager tote featuring top handles, a top zip fastening, a front logo plaque, gold tone hardware and an internal zipped pocket, by Michael Kors. Number 2, crafted from textured crossgrain leather. The Voyager tote features adjustable shoulder straps and gusset ties for everyday versatility. Its signature design promises everlasting appeal, while refined hardware and a logo charm lend a sophisticated finish, by Michael Kors. Number 3, Michael Kors Voyager Tote, crafted in 100% textured crossgrain leather, with gold tone metal hardware. This tote features 2 main pockets, 1 center zip pocket, 2 back slip pockets, 6 front slip pockets, 2 leather handles with a 8.5 inches drop, by Michael Kors. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.